Okay, so finally we have reached to our last data type, which is the sets. And sets are the what are sets in Python? So basically, set are the data types, or sorry, data structures which holds a unique value or unique items. Okay, so that's one of the good thing which we have in the uh, sets. So now here what I thought before proceeding with the sets, let's try to see what are the five good and five bad points about sets in Python. So let's start with good. So sets are very efficient for checking whether an item is contained in a set or not. That's the membership test we call, and has an average time complexity of O1. Okay, so basically why it is, the reason behind this is because the sets are implemented using a hash table. Now with since it is implemented using hash table, it makes it easier for you know to check the membership. And so they are very efficient data structure basically when you are searching an element in a very large collection of items. So that's where it becomes a very efficient data structure, and you should try using that sets there. Other thing is sets are unordered collection of unique elements, which means that duplicates are automatically removed. So as we mentioned earlier, sets only store unique items, and that's a nature, that's how it is designed to store the unique elements, and so duplicates can be removed, and we can take out the duplicates just let's say I have a list with duplicate value. I just need to convert it into a set, and then it will automatically remove the duplicates. But there are certain drawbacks also of that approach. It's again depend upon use case to use case and how you want to use that. The next is set can be used to perform mathematical set operations such as union, intersection, and differentiation. So difference, symmetric difference, or whatever it is. Now why it is, because they have the built-in methods. So set provides several built-in methods for performing this mathematical set operation. Now what it will do, it basically makes our life easy to perform this operation on set, because it has already a built-in support for that. Now the other point is set in Pythons are mutable and support various methods such as add, move. So obviously mutability will be good and bad at the same time. It depends upon how you want to use the sets. And the lastly is sets in Python are implemented using hash table, making very fast to most operations. Yeah, so that I already covered why it is so efficient, and why we need to use that. Okay. Then talk about the bad part. Obviously, it's an ordered collection, which means we don't have any indices. So the index is no longer available in sets, and so means we cannot access elements by their index. Okay, so these are unordered, and also it depends upon system to system. When I display a certain set, and the order which is shown on my system might be entirely different on your system. Okay, so that's so that once I'll start seeing that, no, you will see that how we are going to do that. Set elements are immutable, which means you cannot change an element once it has been added to the set. Okay. Okay, so the elements cannot be changed. We can add, remove to the set. Okay, modification is not possible. So set does not support slicing or concatenation, obviously, because since there is no index, how I am going to do that. Sets have a slightly more complex syntax than lists and tuples. Yeah, some, but we have that complexity again relative, but yeah, we can say that. Sets are not suitable for storing elements that are unhashable, such as dicts or list. Yeah, so that's important. If you cannot unhashable, then you cannot store it, because it is a hash table implementation to lightning fast membership checking. Yeah. So below I have just defined my set, and this is an example of set, and using this curly braces we define a set. That's all for this video. See you in another video.